Back at it again. Jump right to it. As I had mentioned in my previous video, you'd line that dot up with that arrow there. And that dot with that arrow. I had also made some marks on the chain. Kind of wore off right there, but you can see that little dot lines up with the line on the bolt. Same with right there. I don't know if you can see it all that well, but I made a mark there too. So those marks line up, those dots line up, I should be good to go. Putting it back together, you should probably oil everything. You can see I got good coating on everything. Drop the shims right on top of the valves, put the buckets on, put it all together, oil everything. I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you don't, I don't know how much harm would be done, but couldn't hurt. This fancy dancy tensioner here, you take that bolt out of the front, take those two out, it comes out. You put it back together, you leave that bolt out right there. You kind of just put a little bit of tension on the part that sticks out with your finger, and you stick a flat screwdriver into the hole behind that bolt. You twist it clockwise if I remember right, and the tension will kind of just come in, and you hold the screwdriver in there with the tensioner all the way in. You slap one of those bolts on, you let it go. And it automatically tensions itself. While I have it apart, I'm doing spark plugs too. I'm gonna try some of these guys, see how those work. You do about 7.2 foot-pounds if I remember right on all these bolts on the top here. You probably want to be exact with that, but I'm no expert. And that did go back together fine with these gears being installed. Contrary to the owner's manual, I left them on. And it went right together. It just takes a little bit of time. You put the exhaust one in first, then after that put the intake one in. You kind of got to finagle them both around a little bit. Yeah, all went together. Now from here we put it together, and maybe there'll be a third video.